Yo, what up YouTube? My name is Kevin Pack. Thanks for tuning into my channel. I'm a six-figure Amazon seller, and in this channel, we talk about things Amazon, business, entrepreneurship, lifestyle, good habits, and all that good stuff. In this video, we're gonna talk about a question I get asked a lot, and it's if Amazon FBA is too late or too saturated, too competitive to start in 2020. And before we get started, I'm gonna show you guys my sales so you guys know I'm a current Amazon seller. Boom, there you go right there. 11:30 a.m., made about 8 sales, almost $200 and $15,000 in the past 30 days. So is it too late to start Amazon FBA in 2020? Is it too saturated? Is it too competitive? Can you still make money on it? The brutal, honest answer to that is yes, but it's hard as fuck. I'm gonna let you guys know right now, it's not gonna be a walk in the park at all to be successful on Amazon, to make money and to create passive income on it. But I guarantee when you do it right, it is so rewarding. To be honest, Amazon isn't what it used to be 2 years ago. There was a time 2 years ago and early on where it was very, very easy on Amazon, where you could just throw up any product, it could look exactly like everyone else, and you would make a shitload of money on it. You could make $20,000 your first month if you just throw up the same product and source it from Alibaba and just get into Amazon. But nowadays it's way more competitive. People are getting more creative, and that's causing other sellers to either fail or step up their game. So yes, Amazon FBA is a lot harder now, but with something as rewarding as passive income, it's gonna be hard at first, for sure. It for sure is, but once you get it down, it is so rewarding. If it wasn't for Amazon FBA, I wouldn't be able to have my brand new apartment, my brand new car, or anything like that. And it was not easy. There was losses, there's a bunch of shit that went down, but the whole point of it is that you persevered, or that I persevered through it, and I figured out a way to get things done, and now I get to reap the rewards of it. And I get to show you guys that because I know there's people out there that are willing to do the hard work, to do the things that other sellers aren't gonna do to actually succeed. And that's why I'm here, because I know that if they had that opportunity, they would go 100% after it. I'm not here for those people who ain't gonna really take this thing serious. I'm not here for that. I'm here for those people who are thinking like me. Now, Amazon being more competitive actually brings a little bit more good into it as well. It's not always just a bad thing. So Amazon has become more competitive, and it's completely started to weed out all those wannabe sellers who aren't really trying and who will fail on the first try. And so that actually leaves more Amazon sellers to fail who aren't serious about it, and gives an opportunity for new Amazon sellers who are actually serious about it, because those who are serious and are actually going to think outside of the box will win. That's how I did it, and that's how a lot of current sellers do it now. And the truth is, not everyone's going to be capable of that kind of stuff, but I know there are people who are down and willing to get the work done to do that. So you start weeding out more of those people who aren't going to really get shit done, and it leaves room for the people who are hustlers, who are actually going to get in there and do some work. On top of that, let's be realistic. Amazon is continuously growing. It's a billion dollar company, and there's millions, I'm telling you, millions of products that are being sold on Amazon, different types of products. And on top of that, Amazon's customer base is growing bigger and bigger. It's expanding. More people are signing up for Prime. More people are going to Amazon to find every item that they want. Because of that, now the ocean's a bit bigger. Now you have more fish that you can capture, and sales that you could also bring in, because there's so much more people that are there. So there's gonna be a new generation of people who are coming onto Amazon and using it after whoever is here now. So as Amazon continues to grow further and further, there's gonna be more people who are willing to see your product, or likely to see your product and buy. So because Amazon is consistently growing, constantly growing, and there's more and more products, you have an opportunity to start. And then what you do with that opportunity is up to you and how you accomplish it. And then if you want to branch out off of Amazon, there's another opportunity of that as well. Because at the end of the day, a product of business will never die. It's always going to be a thing. People are always going to buy products. It's never going to be a thing where people stop buying anything. You know, whether it's from Amazon or from the store or anything, there's always going to be a transaction happening. And because of that, Amazon is your gateway to start your own product business, and then eventually grow it outside of that. So it's not just about selling on Amazon, but it's seeing that the opportunity in the window that it has for the future further down the line. So you're not limited to just Amazon. So to recap, yes, Amazon is really, really hard to do and hard to be successful at, but you can be successful at it. You can still be successful on Amazon in 2020. I barely launched my product in 2019 and it's still successful now. But you have to be willing to do the work that other people aren't. You have to be willing to be creative. You have to be willing to put in more hours into it, because afterwards, you won't have to put in many hours after at all. That's the whole game plan. You invest a lot of time in the beginning, and then you reap the benefits of your financial freedom afterwards. So I hope you guys got a clear perspective on what it's like to sell on Amazon, and if there's a chance for you to sell on Amazon and be successful. There's definitely still a huge chance for you to be successful at it, but just be prepared to put in the work. That's it, okay? So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Of course, if you want more content, please subscribe. Please like the video, it helps a lot. If you want to learn how to sell on Amazon like I did and want me to be your coach and your mentor, check out my training course below, and you can join the Facebook group as well to talk to other people who are selling. So thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Of course, go make that money. Peace.